What if I told you, the best metal detector for finding gold isn't the most expensive one? Today, I'm revealing 5 detectors that have helped pros uncover coins, relics, and even gold nuggets, including a $200 model that outperforms $1,000 detectors. All purchase links below. Let's hunt. Number 1. Garrett Ace250. Branko Barisic, a Croatian detectorist who posts his finds on Instagram as Metal Detecting Croatia, started his detecting career with a Garrett Ace250, which he says is lightweight and simple to use. For the money, it's great because it has notch discrimination, a function that allows you to choose which types of metals to target, plus 5 search modes and a host of other features, he says. This model has a search coil, the flat, round part at the bottom of the detector that does the searching, that is waterproof to a depth of 9 inches, which, according to Connecticut-based detectorist Jesse Thompson, who has been passionate about metal detecting since he was 14 years old, makes it great for practicing in lots of scenarios. If your budget doesn't accommodate the 250, the Garrett Ace200 has many of the same features for a slightly lower price. Number 2. Minelab Vanquish 440 Metal Detector. According to George Streeter, a detectorist with over 50 years of experience who hosts annual group hunts in New Hampshire and underwater hunts in the Caribbean, the Minelab Vanquish 440 has everything a beginner could need. It's lightweight and collapsible, and it uses multi-frequency technology, allowing you to search for silver, gold, jewelry, and more in any type of soil or water. It gives you both ID readings, the type of metal it detects, and depth readings to spare you the time and heartache of digging deep only to end up with nails. And like the Garrett Ace, it has a waterproof search coil, submersible up to 3 feet, so you can explore beaches, streams, and riverbeds. Number 3. Minelab Vanquish 340 Metal Detector. If the price of the 440 is too steep, both Kropiwiec and Hube recommend the slightly cheaper Vanquish 340 for beginners. Hube, who lives in Cape Cod, prefers this model over other affordable detectors because it comes with multi-frequency technology. Without this feature, she says, the mineral content in salt water can interfere with a detector's readings. In her shop, she mostly stocks models from Minelab because even the brand's affordable options offer multi-frequency, whereas only select models from other brands like Garrett have the feature. Like the 440, the Vanquish 340 has a waterproof coil, submersible up to 3 feet, and is lightweight and collapsible. It has 3 search modes, coin, jewelry, or all metal, so you can get started quickly and easily. Plus it has noise-canceling lag-free audio with 3 volume levels to choose from. Number 4. Nocta Metal Detector. Ideal for kids, Mini Horde Waterproof Kids Detector is making it the most fun way to introduce kids to metal detecting. The accessories we send along with the metal detector will make it fun and easy to use. High accuracy and cool kid, equipped with a 6-inch, 15 cm, search coil, Mini Horde Metal Detector offers exceptional accuracy. Ideal for land and beach detecting for kids who are looking for gold, silver, and all types of metals. Also sand scoop and sifter will help you. Waterproof Metal Detector. Nocta Mini Horde Metal Detector has been designed with IP68 rating as a waterproof unit up to 1 meter/3 feet. If you are looking for beach toys for kids, Mini Horde Metal Detector will be the perfect choice. ED indicator and depth indicator will help your kid to find, discriminate, and pinpoint metals. Just like an adult's detector. Number 5. Garrett Prointer at Waterproof Pinpointing Metal Detector. All of the experts we spoke to said that, in addition to a metal detector, you will need a pinpointer to help locate your treasure once you start digging. Thompson likens it to a smaller version of a metal detector that helps prevent him from digging unnecessarily big and messy holes. You want to dig what looks kind of like a trapdoor. Basically, you cut 3 sides and you tilt the dirt over. That way, when you put everything back in, it's like you were never there, he says. According to Barisic, the Garrett Prointer is the best one on the market. It's waterproof and never makes a mistake, he says. So, which of these treasure finders are you taking on your next adventure? Comment below. If you want more buried treasure tips, smash thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. Next week I'm revealing exactly where to find valuable coins in your hometown.